Welcome to Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to pin TikTok video on your profile. Pinning a video on TikTok lets you highlight a specific video at the top of your profile. You can pin up to 3 videos, which can help you engage viewers and direct them to key content. Now, firstly, make sure you have your TikTok application and you're logged into your account. Here you can see I'm already at the profile page or home page of my TikTok. As I said before, you can pin up to 3 videos, but for this video, I will guide you on how to pin one of the videos. Now I'm going to choose the second video. And there you can see 3 dot icon. At the bottom right, you can tap on that. And at the third, you can see the option pin. You have to tap on that. And now if you go back and check, there you can see the pinned box on the top of that video, and that video will be listed at the first of your profile page. Now when someone visits your profile, the pinned video is the first thing they see. And this is how easily you can pin a TikTok video on your profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.